A man arrives quietly in a small crate in the forest carrying a backpack full of tools and a simple notebook. The first thing he does is walk slowly around a large old tree stood in a massive roots spreading across the ground like the fingers on the earth itself. He begins placing wooden stakes into the soil, one by one, marking position careful. Every few moments, he opens his notebook, writes measurements, and sketches row plans. You can see him thinking deeply, imagining something that does not yet exist. After several minutes, he kneels beside one enormous root and draws a wide circle in the soil around the base of the tree. Then he marks another circle further out, measuring distance. With precision, it becomes clear that this is not a random one. He's designing something hidden beneath the tree itself. He starts drilling small holes along the circle he marked. Into those holes he drives strong wooden stakes, but outside the root system and careful along the bar where the structure will begin. Each stake is placed deliberately, creating the frame of what will soon become as underground entrance. Next, he spreads out his construction tools, saw cutting blades, measure lines, and a large plastic sheet that he lays around the site to protect the ground and organize his workspace. He attached plumb lines to the stakes, watching how gravity keeps everything vertical alignment matters here, and he checks this again and again. Then comes the heavy work. He sets up a tripod and begins cutting wood with a powerful chainsaw. Thin timber beams are shaped and trimmed with precision. Piece by piece, the wooden structure begins to take form. The entrance is hidden between the massive roots of the tree, almost invisible unless you know where to look. Gradually, the opening grows larger beneath the roots system. It is deeper, expanding a chamber underground. What started as a small hole becomes surprisingly spacious wooden bunker built carefully beneath the tree. The roof above adds by a natural roof, while the timber support reinforces the walls below. Once the structure is finished, he begins installing modern comfort solar panels are mounted outside where they can capture sunlight through the forest canopy. Wires run quietly down into the hidden chamber, bringing electricity to the underground room. Inside lie illuminated wooden walls. A small air conditioning unit is installed to keep the space cool and comfortable. Shelves appears, followed by a bed, a small television, and practical storage. What was once used the base of a tree has now become a sacred living space hidden within nature. Finally, he installed a sturdy ladder leading from the surface down into the bunker from the outside. Forest floor completely untouched, but beneath the roof of that old tree lies a fully functional underground home powered by sunlight and built entirely by careful planning, passion, and skill. A hidden shelter quietly carved into the roots of the earth.